So this is how you can post 20 photos on Instagram at once. Let's go on ahead and open up the app. And then as you can see, there's a plus button at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on it, and now you can go on ahead and choose as many photos as you want, as long as it's 20 and under. So tap on the square thing right next to the camera, and then you can choose how many photos you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose 20 right here. But as you can see, right now the limit is 10. Some people can post up to 20, but if you can only post up to 10, then there's nothing you can really do about it. It's not because you're not updated or because your phone is outdated, but basically Instagram is rolling out these updates little by little. So you're gonna have to wait until you can get the 20 photo update. So unfortunately, if you can't go above 10, then there's nothing you can do but wait. I'm truly sorry, but that's just how it works for some of the Instagram accounts. If you want to, you can post 10 photos and then post 10 photos in another post. That way, you'll still be uploading 20 photos, but in two separate posts. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.